Hi everybody, how's it going? I'm happy because I spent a couple of days to searching at donors. I found one and today I swapped the heads. 2 terabyte Rosewood drive where the head 0 wasn't working like I wanted. It was super slow. Of course the rest of the heads was fine, so I got the data from it. But the worst part was the head 0 had most important data for the customers. So there was a lot of pictures. There was a lot of data missing in the pictures folder. So I had to do a head swap. I got the donor today. I swapped the heads. You're gonna see it soon. Right now, I can read from head 0 85 megabytes per second. I'm gonna show you that. The screen here is so small, so yeah, 72, 77, 83. Oh God. But this is one case. Now I want to show you another Rosewood drive. Okay. Like you can see, another Rosewood, but this time it's a 1 terabyte drive. The drive looks like Rosewood drive, like regular Nightmare. Why I'm doing something like that? Because here on the right side I have terminal output and I can see everything in the terminal. The drive is unlocked because I worked on it before. I estimated. Yeah. So like you can see here, this tells you everything. EDAC value, MCMT table is corrupt. Yeah, but we have the ID. We got the drive initialized, but when we're gonna try to go to user area and check the data in the sectors, right now I checked sector 0, we're gonna get UNC error. So what we can do now, since we know something about MCMT, what the MCMT is and what's actually media cache is. Media cache is the fastest place on the platter when the drive keeps the data. To access the data in the media cache, you have to have media cache management table, MCMT. After some time, the drive gonna move the data from the media cache container into the regular user data area. So let's go and check. Three, 348. Also, you can access it. Excuse me. Here, come on. You can you have even description MCMT, and like you can see, we don't have access to it. So we have to do some tricks. And after some tricks, we're gonna get those two files. 348 from copy 0 and from copy 1. How to do that? It's super easy. Of course, everything is in the PC3000 manual, so you can easily read it. It's nothing like big science, but I checked actually a few forums, and there is a lot of question about the MCMT, about media cache issues, and most likely everything is in PC3000 manual. So just to read it. From here, we have a few options here. We can read system file, we can read ROM. So we can read system file with our system file with this option here, read by one sector. Let's see if it does work. Of course it doesn't, because there is a lot of corruptions, so we can't read this file like that. But if you're gonna go here as a LBA and you're gonna find our file 348 here, and you're gonna go with the error recovery and ignore read errors options, you're gonna be able to read the files. So this is what I did. I don't want to stress the drive too much and read those areas again, so we're gonna simply do rest of the things. Right now we can load the file from the error recovery. Like you can see, this is one of the files. And it's gonna be another one, 348. I just like to do the thing correct, so we're gonna stop it right now, only because I don't want to, like I said before, stress the drive too much. Again, we're gonna read right now copy 1, and like you can see, we have some difference here. Let's see how big difference are. Only 8, so it's only on the beginning. The rest of the files actually are the same, so these are not big issues. The main idea here is format the MCMT table using cu10 command, but before that we have to check how much data is in the MFT. Yeah. Okay. Like you can see, we have a few issues here, which we're gonna solve. We can write the file to the HDD, but in this case we're gonna save it like a new RPM fixed. Since we have our media cache fixed, we can do another thing. Prepare special map of the data which were not moved to the user area. I'm gonna do it as well, just in case, and actually I just want to show you that option. Let's do that. Save. Okay. And we have our extents chains. Sorry for my English, guys. Probably I know your ears are in pain right now. So this is it. Super easy. Now we just need to go to our utility and do cu10. We have to just turn off the drive, turn it back on, unlock it, and like you can see, there is no more messages in the terminal. Of course the ID is correct, and we still don't have access to data, to our sectors. Why? That's why. Yeah. So who knows what the issue was? Please leave comment below. Okay, so right now the drive is fixed, like you can see. I'm not gonna send MCMT to the RAM. You can do it here, by the way. Yeah, you can do it here. But we have that map, so I'm gonna show you how to copy that with that map. Before we start cloning, we need to turn off relocation in system file 93 and turn on the write protection option in system file 20D. Let's prepare the task. What the fuck is that piece of shit? Oh, it was only Cybertruck. Everything is default here. Yeah, the other drive still reads 85 megabytes per second. So first, we have to build heads map. So we have only 2 heads. Let's go and check if we're gonna see some magic. Yeah. Yeah, so like you can see here, there are customers data. Copy everything what we need. Like you can see, there is 800 gigabytes on this drive. And let's see how quick the drive is. Nice, huh? This is head 0. Let's quickly check the head 1. Head 1. It's a little bit slower than head 0, but still I'm happy because, like always, I got the customer data with no issues. Maybe there are gonna be some bad areas, maybe slow areas. So like you can see, speed is pretty nice. It's gonna take for us something around 3 hours if we are not gonna hit any bad areas there. And that's it. Nice and easy. Media cache is done. The customer's data is secured. I have the map of the media cache, and just in case I have fixed MCMT file, which I can send it to the RAM and then read the whole thing. So that's it for today, and please stay with us because right now I'm gonna show you the head swap on this drive. So like you could see, everything was super easy, and it took me only 5 seconds to do with everything, with the swap and reading the data. So don't delay. Send me your hard drive today. Take care, guys.